Prep test 67, game 3, question 17. If S is alone in aisle 2, each of the following must be true except which? So we're looking for 4 that must be true and 1 that could be false. So let's get our master diagram up here, and we're going to place S by itself in aisle 2. Since S must be greater than or equal to H, that means that H must be over here. Since F must come before M, M must be over here, and F must be over here. F must also come before P, so we have to put P right there. And that fulfills this rule as well. All we have left is R, and R can go with either F or with M, so it can float between bins 1 and 3. Must be true except, let's categorize these one at a time. F is in 1. That must be true. H is in 1. That must be true. M is in 3. Must be true. P is in 3. Must be true. R is in 1. Could be false because we have the option of placing R in bin 3. That's the answer we're looking for.